Morning, everybody. We are on maths for Monday the 8th. Today we're looking at related facts between different numbers and how they can help us solve different equations. So it will become clearer as I'm going through with you. So please watch and listen carefully. Okie doke. Right, so first up, we've got a picture of some fish. Says, can you create two addition and subtraction facts from the image below? So the first thing that we are going to do, we're going to see how many fish there actually are and the different types of fish. So we've got obviously the yellow fish, which is a bit like a dory, and the smaller one, the blue one as well, the blue and green. So let's see how many of each fish there are. Just thinking about what pen to use. I just stick with black. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Probably better ticking them off as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 of the yellow fish. Again, the pen strikes. So tricky to do. I do apologise. That's terrible writing. So we've got 6 yellow. And then obviously we've got the 3 blue. So the number sentences that we are going to create will relate to the number of each fish. So 6 yellow, 3 blue. So if we look down here, we have our related facts that I mentioned at the start of the lesson. So we've got 6 add 3, 9. 3 add 6, 9. So we know that when you are doing an addition, it's what we call commutative. So you can do it either way around, it doesn't matter. However, when you go on to your subtraction, for the subtraction, the biggest number needs to come first because you won't be able to take the bigger number away from the smaller number. So we've got 6 add 3 is 9, 3 add 6 is 9. Then we've got 9 subtract 3 is 6. And 9 subtract 6 is 3. So if you look at all these numbers, they are all related. They are all interlinked to each other. So that's what I mean when I'm talking about related facts. We can also look at it in an inverse sort of way. So if we look at this one, 3 add 6 is 9. And then if we swap it around and we do it backwards, if we do 9, I'm going to try and do it my best, 9 subtract 6 equals 3. So when I'm talking about the inverse, that's what I mean. So doing it backwards. So this just sort of gives you a clear indication of how numbers are related and number sentences are interlinked with each other. Okie doke. What is the same and different about the two calculations below? We've got the place value counters here, and we've obviously got the addition symbol in the middle. So it's asking us what's the same and what's different. If we change these to numbers, we have obviously here we've got 3 and 4, and that equals 7. Then we've got 10, 20, 30. Should be becoming a little bit clearer what's happening here when I'm doing this. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40 on this side. We know that 30 add 40 equals 70. These two are related because 3 add 4 is 7, and then obviously 30 add 40 is 70. So if you know what 3 add 4 is, you should easily be able to do 30 add 40 because you're just making it 10 times bigger. Then I think I put them down here as well. In much neater writing. Okay, doke. Right, this one we've got a bar model. So we've used these a little bit in class. We can use bar models to help us find related facts. On this one, we've got 2 add 6 equals 8. What other facts can this help us to solve or to identify? We can do, just get my pen here. So we've got 2 add 6. Then obviously we can do that the other way around. We can do 6 add 2, because it doesn't matter which way around you do it when it's in addition. Then when it comes to subtraction, we could do 8 subtract 2, so I'm doing it backwards and doing the inverse, equals 6. And then we could also do, sorry about my 8, 8 subtract 6 equals 2. In addition to that, we could also do making the number 10 times bigger. So if we know that 2 add 6 is 8, we then know that 20 add 60, oh goodness, equals 80. So it's about opening your mind to think, right, what do I know about these numbers? What strategies can I use to help me solve questions more effectively? Also, we can use 10 frames as well to help us find fact families. So this 10 frame is showing us 2, the ones with the white middles, and then we've got, let me just do a 2 up there, 2, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 of the green ones. And this also is a way that can help us find the fact families, because we've got 2 add 7 is 9, 7 add 2 is 9, and then use subtraction. So we've got 9 subtract 7 equals 2, and 9 subtract 2 equals 7. Right, for this one, we are matching up the correct fact family, or the related fact, with the right number sentence. These are your number sentences down here. It's got 5 add 1 equals 6. So we're going to look to this side and think, right, what facts are related? And it's going to be this one here. It's going to be 50 add 10 equals 60, because that one is literally just that number sentence made 10 times bigger. Then we've got 9 subtract 4 equals 5. Right, looking over here, it's not going to be 40 subtract 20, because it's not related, but it's going to be 90 subtract 40 equals 50. Okay, doke. And I'm going to leave those 2 because I think I'm going to put those on your learning from home sheet today. Then final question before you get cracking with your work, a little bit of problem solving, word problems. Pens and pencils come in packs of 10. Miss Higgins buys 2 packs of pens, 4 packs of pencils. Miss Higgins thinks that she can use 2 add 4 to help her work out how many pens and pencils she's bought. Is she correct? Okie doke. Get my highlighter. We're looking at this, 2 add 4, and we're looking at how that can help us. Pencils come in packs of 10. So down here, I've just copied over some pens and pencils. So I need to get, let me just put infinite corner on. There we go. Oh, go back there. 2 packs of pens. So I need 2 packs of those. And then I need 4 packs of pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so Miss Higgins is saying that 2 add 4, which equals 6, can help us solve this. And she's correct, because there you've got 2 lots of 10, which is 20. And then you've got 10, 20, 30, 40. You've got 4 10s, which is 40. And we know that we just need to make it 10 times bigger. So Miss Higgins is correct. Higgins is correct because 2 add 4 is a related fact to 20 add 40. You just need to make 2 add 4 10 times bigger. Okay, we don't say that we're adding a 0 because further up in school that could cause problems when you're doing tricky work, so we always try and say that we're making things 10 times bigger, but we don't need to worry about that too much just yet because you're still with me, you're still in year 2. Okie doke. Thank you everybody. Try your best today, as you always do, and keep up the fantastic work. Thank you everybody.